Welcome. My name is Professor Courtney Alexander, and I am going to be your instructor for your AMP1 lab. Now, this is going to be an asynchronous online lab. What that means is that we won't meet in person at any given time. Instead, you will work independently on a series of worksheets, and you will use the materials provided to learn. Now, if you have questions or you get stuck, the best thing you can do is to reach out to me via email. My email is going to be courtney.carroll@uncp.edu. You can also message me on Canvas, but sometimes there is a slight delay between when you send the message on Canvas and when I receive it. The best thing to do, again, is to email me if you have questions. We can then set up an appointment and we can meet on Zoom or on WebEx and go over any issues that you might be having. For this lab, you're going to need the lab manual by Merriam. You can get any edition, though if you get an older edition, or a digital edition, you might have to search a little bit to line up the activities. The lab manual is really great, especially in the beginning when we go over histology, as it has some really key pictures in there. What you'll do each week is you will download a Word document worksheet. You will look at it, read through it once, and then take a short pre-lab quiz. Now, these quizzes are about 4 to 5 multiple choice questions. They're very straightforward, and they're just designed to see whether you've looked at the worksheet or not. You'll then go through the worksheet, and the key here is to answer your questions in a different color font. Now, sometimes these worksheets can get pretty long, and so it really helps me if I'm going and grading a bunch of them that the colors are different. So put your answers in like blue or a yellow highlight or something fun so I can see them. Save your document and then upload it to Canvas. Now, whatever you upload is what I'm going to grade. So if you upload a document and you haven't answered the last half of the questions, then you will get a 50%. For the worksheets, I grade them just on completion and not correctness. So you don't have to be perfect, you don't have to be right, you just have to try and answer every single question. At the end of every module, you'll have a Canvas exam. Now, this is where correctness is important. So please take the time to study for your exams. They're going to be timed, and so you won't have the time to go and Google every single answer. I will also be using a proctoring service called Examity, and this will help ensure that you are actually taking this exam seriously, as it will be a closed book, closed notes sort of test. Okay, it will be on each module. There will be 3 of them. The first module is histology. So we go through and you're going to look at some slides on a computer. The second module is your bones and muscles. This is the biggest one in terms of material and in terms of time. And so you really want to make sure that you're paying attention and working with the material. And the last is a short unit on the nervous system and our special senses. Again, if at any point you have questions, please email me and set up a time to meet. And I look forward to getting to know you this semester.